Are you running your offline store, your clinic, your professional studios, your e-commerce store, your various stores without a website? Then you need to watch this video till the end. Hey there, it's Presh from Web Developers. I can design, redesign, develop, redevelop your all kinds of website. So if you want that services, go DM me on my Instagram, first link in the description. Let me create an image for you, like what are the problems you are facing. You own a business, you own a clinic, or you own an e-commerce store which you manage using your Instagram or any other social media. You have to just reply to each and every person on the internet. You have to pick each and every person's call to tell them about your service, to tell them about the prices, to tell them about the various things you offer, and you can't able to concentrate on your work. Is that you? Or you are the person who is just focusing on your work, automating all the work? Which person you just want to become? So if you want to become the second kind of person, you need to know what is business websites, what are its benefits, and how you can implement a business website in your business to automate your complete business and to grow it to the next level. So let's firstly know what exactly is business website is. Business website are the special websites which are developed for the businesses to conduct various economic functions over the internet with the use of a website. So business website can be categorized into various kinds. It can be services, it can be products, it can be appointments, it can be of any time. So you need to first figure out which type of business website you want for your business. After that, you need to figure out what are the pain points which you are feeling. Like it can be the pain point of picking off of each and every client's call. You can automate it by implementing a appointment booking feature. You can implement it with a chatbot feature also. Like if you are feeling big problems like replying to each and every customer, you can implement a chatbot in your website which will reply each and every of your customer. How great it would be for you to automate this all complete system. Like let's say an example of a professional who is suffering from booking appointment and stuff. He can get a website in that there is a appointment form over there from where people can directly book their appointments, directly book their bookings with the doctor, so they don't have to worry about anything. You just have to check out your phone, you just have to check out a quick off your laptop, like what are the today's booking, what are today's appointments are. Is that simple process, man. Let's consider about the e-commerce store. In e-commerce, you're conducting your complete business using Instagram, Facebook, any other social media. You have to reply each and every person over there, giving details about the products, giving price details, giving the delivery details. Let's say you have an e-commerce store. What you can do is you can completely automate, you can completely manage your e-commerce store with just a single phone. How great would be, man. You can process the order, you can check the order placed by the people, you can check the emails of the order, you can check the various requirements, you can check the stock, you can check the various requirements of the people coming for your store, you can check the revenue, you can check each and everything from just a single phone, and you don't have to reply to each and every customer. How great would it be, man, for your e-commerce business. So after knowing all these benefits, after knowing all these benefits of a business website, let's start knowing what are the main process by which you can get your business website. So for the very first thing, you have to pick a pain point, like what is your pain point, is in which service, what exactly feature you want in your website. After knowing the feature, you can contact to a development agency or a freelancer. You can contact to me also for the development of your website. What you have to do is click on the first link in the description. It is of my Instagram. Go there and DM me all the website requirements which you want for your website, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So that would be more better for you. You just don't have to find any other person. You just come to me and you get your website done. So after a development process, you have to check out the feature, you have to test the feature, like they are functioning or not. If they are functioning, they are good or not, it is up to the mark or not. If then they are good, then you're good to go. Then there are just two steps left, which is SEO, which is search engine optimization. It is a process in which we optimize our website to rank it on Google and any other search engine platform for its better organic reach and to get more or obviously clients. So this can be done by us. You just have to DM us that service also. And after the SEO stuff, the last service which comes is annual maintenance, which is changing some bit designs of your website, which will gonna attract more customers and more visitors, and will gonna trigger the action points. Like it can be sales, it can be lead or something. So and also including various, also changing the content over there to implement new stuff to get more and more basically customer intention. That's all the website would that's all you need from the website. So I hope in this video you got answers for all the problems which you're facing with your business, offline business. So I hope you like this video. If you find this helpful, do let me know. If you have any kind of question related to the website, you can DM me on my Instagram, or you can also comment down below in the description. I'll try my best to reply you as soon as possible. So thank you again. I'll see you in the next video. If you have any video suggestion also, you can DM, you can comment down below. I'm gonna have a look. Okay, thank you.